Hey guys, it's Maddie, and today I'm going to be doing a everyday makeup tutorial. This is what I do whenever I do my makeup. It's not that special, you know. I also already have my eyebrows done because I did them today, and that takes too long to do on camera. Plus, I might make another eyebrow routine. I know I literally put so many of them, but like my eyebrows are ever changing. I always change things up whenever I do them. So that's, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna start off by spraying my NYX First Brace Primer spray. I spray that all around my face just to give myself a primer, obviously. Next, I take, my ear is so small. Okay. Next, I take my Maybelline Superstay Foundation in Natural Beige, and I need to wet down my Juno & Co. microfiber sponge. This is what I like to use. I don't really like using a beauty blender that much just because this uses a lot less product and it stays on really good. So I'll be back and I'm going to wet it down. I'm going to be taking a pump of this foundation and I'm just putting it on my under eyes like that, and then on any blemishes I have a lot on my chin. And I have a few around my mouth, and that's like pretty much it. Everywhere else will probably be covered just because of my blending. I blend that out with the flat side of my Juno & Co. sponge. I know for some of you guys this might be a lot, and plus also I don't even conceal my eyebrows if anyone wanted to know. Just for my everyday eyebrows, because I have like a different thing for like filming brows and everyday eyebrows, but for my everyday eyebrows I do not conceal them at all. Okay, by now you're gonna look really white. Now I look a little bit whiter. But we're gonna warm myself up by using my butter bronzer. I take this big fluffy brush and I take the bronzer. Wait, actually, before you do that, you gotta powder yourself. I just use my banana setting powder, and I take this big fluffy brush, go like that, and then put in the cap and tap it a little bit. And I just set my whole entire face like this, because I don't have like a normal like not loose powder. So now I take the butter bronzer and I take this big fluffy brush, tap off, and I bronze up my cheeks, definitely my forehead, because you gotta get that skinny forehead. You don't want that big forehead, you want that skinny, small forehead. And underneath. Okay, so now I take some more bronzer and I just go like over underneath my eyes just to darken up my face a little bit more. And around. Just to liven up my face, but like not like really focusing it there like I do on my cheeks. Next is my favorite part. My tape just fell. My new favorite highlight is the Makeup Revolution Strobe Highlighter in Gold Addict. It's so pretty, so pigmented. I got so many compliments on it. I use the NYX Dew Finish setting spray, and I spray my highlighting brush, and I go and swirl around like that, and I highlight my face. See, like, and it's gold and stuff. Like, I love gold so much. It's so pretty. Gold highlighters, especially in the summer. Okay, and then I take this small, like, pointed, I think this is a concealer brush. It's a concealer brush from e.l.f., but I use it for highlight because I don't use concealer brushes. I spray that and I go into the highlight and I do the tip of my nose, right on that nose bone. And I do my Cupid's bow, and then I take my big fluffy brush without like any setting spray on it. I just go over my forehead a little bit and my chin. I take a little bit more of the Maybelline Superstay Foundation and I put a little bit on my finger and dab it around onto my eyelid. Okay, and then I take that small concealer brush, spray it, and I highlight my inner corners and brow bone. Okie dokie. Now I just take a little bit of blush, and I probably will go back over my highlighter just because. But I take this blush. I take this, I don't even know where this is from. It says the Color Workshop blush. It's a real cheap blush. I take my blush brush and I just swirl around. I like the two color thing. but then I put it right there on my cheeks and dot it, and I put it on my nose and like leading up. I like to have that pinkish type of look on my face. Not many people like that, but I do, so I like having rosy cheeks. Okay, and now here's the last part, well, not second to last part. I curl my eyelashes. Okay, they were already kind of curled from earlier, but, and then I take my waterproof Better Than Sex mascara and I apply that. I like the waterproof version way better than the normal Better Than Sex mascara, just because I like it to be thicker, a thicker formula. Maybe it's just probably just me, but like I feel like it makes my eyelashes look way better. Plus waterproof, you gotta get those waterproof so whenever you cry, they don't run down your face. You gotta get those bottom lashes. Alright, I also have to do this step because I was in New York and I don't like to cover that up. So I used to be so self-conscious about it. But this is what makes me look like who I am. So I have to clean it off. And then just moisturize your lips. I'm getting my chapstick and lip gloss out of my book bag because I bring it to school with me every day. I take the Rosebud Salve. It was like $6, but it's really good, and it looks really good. And it goes on a little bit of pink tint. I take the Essence Shine lip gloss, and behind the scenes, mine's kind of tinted because I put it on top of like pink lipstick sometimes. Don't forget to spray your setting spray. And that's it for my everyday makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Comment down below video ideas because I want to start filming again. I really enjoy filming. So yeah, I love you all and I'll see you next time. That was really ugly. I'll see you next time.